Rise Gymnastics, a new fun-packed programme designed with the gymnastics community to give children a progressive journey through gymnastics. From preschool upwards for all ages and abilities. Children will gain positive experiences and skills for life. Rise Gymnastics, designed for your gymnasts in your spaces. One programme with 3 phases of activities and awards. Rise Gymnastics Discover helps preschool children build confidence and develop foundation skills through imaginative play whilst learning key gymnastics movements. Rise Gymnastics Explore encourages gymnasts to develop fundamental movement patterns and skills naturally through a range of fun activities and progressions. Using Rise Gymnastics Excel, experienced and ambitious recreational gymnasts perfect advanced skills to achieve things they never thought possible. Now gymnasts have more opportunities to explore and progress. Through our online Rise Hub, coaches can plan sessions, continually assess, track and share progress, work on and offline. With our exciting Rise activation packs, delivering your session is easier than ever before. Rise Gymnastics will be available to purchase September 2021, exclusively for British Gymnastics clubs and partners. Be part of the new way to deliver recreational gymnastics.